Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful snowflake titled Ambrose snowflake. When this is worked with fine thread, it gives a very beautiful finish. Just for the purpose of video, I have made with my hobby store Aran Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill yarn with a 5 mm clover crochet hook. Okay, and this particular motif contains, snowflake contains picots, double crochets, that is groups of double crochets, double crochet clusters, and an X stitch also. So there are few nice techniques to learn in this particular small motif. So let us go into the video without any delay. Chain 6, slip stitch and join to the first chain and form a ring. Now you can begin the first DC as chain 3, otherwise you can pull up the loop, first chain 1 and pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet and make a double crochet in the ring. Then one more double crochet, chain 3. So we made the first 2 double crochets and chain 3. Next you have to make 2 double crochets, chain 3 5 more times into this ring. So I have placed the required number of sets of 2 doubles and chain 3. Finally slip stitch on top of the third chain of the 3 chains or the DC, whatever you have made. Now to begin the next round, you may chain 3. The chain 3 is considered as a double crochet, otherwise chain 1 and make a double crochet on top of the very first double crochet here, and one more double crochet, and 2 double crochets in the next double crochet. Now chain 4, slip stitch to the third chain from the hook 1, 2 and 3. So we are making a 3 chain picot after chain 1. Chain 1 now, place 2 doubles each on each of the next 2 double crochets. So this is the stitch repeat for this round. Complete this round. I shall complete and get back. At the end of round 2, slip stitch and join on top of the DC or the third chain of the 3 chains if you have done 3 chains. Now to work the next round, chain 3, this is considered as the first double crochet, and place a double crochet skipping 2 doubles. Place a double crochet on the 4th double. Now chain 6, this is DC chain 3 and place a DC on top of the DC just made. So you may work in this fashion, else you can take both. Work under both these loops. That will give a finer touch. So we have made the first X stitch here. Okay, now chain 6, slip stitch into the 4th chain from the hook 1, 2, 3 and 4th chain from the hook, chain 3, place a double crochet on the first double crochet of 4 double crochet group, 1 double in the last double, skip the middle 2 DCs, chain 6, one double on the last double made. So continue the stitch, repeat all around. You will have 6 X stitches and 6 chain spaces with a picot on it. Continue and complete. At the end of the round, slip stitch on top of the third chain of the 6 chains that we did. And now chain 2 and make 2 DC cluster here. Including the chain 2, it becomes a 3 DC cluster. Now chain 3, 3 DC cluster into the chain 6 space. That is 3 incomplete doubles and complete it. 3 DC cluster we are making. Now chain 5. Again 3 DC cluster. All in this chain 6 space. Actually not chain 6 space, it's actually chain 3 space, because this 3 chain is considered as double crochet. Chain 3, one more set of 3 DC cluster into the space, chain space. So we have finished one petal of DC clusters. Now chain 6, slip stitch to the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, place DC cluster petal in the next chain 6 space, that is the top of the X stitch here. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete and get back. So at the end of round 4, slip stitch and join on top of the first 2 DC cluster, because we started with 2 chains and 2 DCs as a cluster. So there you join and fasten off and hide the yarn. So thus we complete the Ambrose snowflake. Hope you liked it, and if you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.